What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a Loot Crate opening because I haven't made a video on this channel for a while, and I've been getting Loot Crate for a couple of months now, and I'm like, should really make a video. Alright, let's try to open this thing. How have you guys been lately? Comment in the section below. Just, how's your day been? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you mad? I don't know. Here we go. I got part of it open. Let's see. Whoa. So, it's Warriors. I think that's what the thingy is. That's what the thing is called. The theme of the month. Bots. What is it? It's a little robot. It's called a Kid Robot. Let's see what it is. There we go. Oh, it's literally just a little robot. And he comes with a little weapon. He gets a little crowbar. That's cool. So now every time I leave the house, I leave my Kid Robot on duty, and he'll protect my house. Kid Robot. He's got a little thing. Sweet. Bots. And then there's just all the different types of Kid Bots on this little piece of paper. I can't wait to collect all of them. No way. What? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It comes with a freaking bow tie. Are you kidding me? That is literally the best thing ever. So far, this is already my favorite. How do you put on a bow tie? Okay, I'll take that for now. There's a t-shirt. What does it look like? What's on it? Whoa! Whoa, this is so cool. It's like, okay. It's like all these different video game characters, cause look, you got Mario and Luigi and what's his face? Master Chief. And you got the Tetris blocks and all these different people. That's really cool. The shirt is my favorite, sorry. Am I in focus? Yeah, I am. Cool. I'm gonna put it on right now. Dude, the shirts that Loot Crate sends are like the best shirts ever. So like, if you guys haven't signed up for Loot Crate, I'll put a link in the description below where you can sign up, and you'll get a little discount because it's like my Loot Crate link. And so since like you're signing up through me, you'll get a discount, and I'll get a discount on my next purchase. So if you haven't already gotten Loot Crate, do it. Sorry. Let's see what's next. Alright. Wow. We got an official looter. It's a Loot Crate card. I'm sure it's just one of those like things that you can get like part of the Justice League card. That's cool. And more stickers. You know I love some good stickers. Look, there's like little guys on there. Yeah. Alright, let's see what else we got. You got yourself a little pin. Like, I think each one comes with a little pin. Let's see what else. Alright, we got free digital comic that we can download online. Please do not eat this delicious greeting card. It's got bacon on the front, and inside it says, I love you more than bacon. What a great card. I'll try not to eat this card because bacon is amazing. And what's this? Oh, no way. Yeah, okay. I got a string bag that says gas-powered stick. Don't know what that means, but it's a gas-powered stick bag. Is there anything in it? Nope. Oh, this has been a great one. Like, look, my shirt fits really well, and I got all my little peeps on it. I love Loot Crate. It's literally like one of my highlights of my month, alright? So, for the perfect unboxing, it says, document, share, enjoy. So, you guys, hopefully you enjoyed this little opening. I'm going to do these every month now. Loot Crate. These boxes are just so fun and exciting. Alright. Well, now that I got all this wicked cool stuff, I mean, like a freaking bow tie, this makes me so happy. Oh my gosh, alright guys. So, like I said, please sign up for Loot Crate, and the link in the description below, because if you sign up through me, I'm pretty sure you get a discount, and if you sign up through mine, I get a discount as well. So it's a win-win situation. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this, and I don't want you to forget, where there's a will, there's a way. My name is Will. Have a nice day.